Oh, cool. Now I'm recording. I don't know how to use this GoPro at all. 1% is probably going to die on me. Yeah, Sean and I just got back from the Field Museum. That was a pretty good experience. The dinos were amazing. There were some really cool rocks and some really interesting things that we didn't know. Also had a lot of colonialism that I didn't experience in other Austrian museums. It was very weird. American history, right? The city is lovely. Had a great Lyft driver. We're gonna go out to a fancy dinner, but we're just gonna spend a couple of hours just chilling in the hotel room now, taking it easy, or sleazy. This could be the last video until we get a new charger. That's gonna be needed.
Here's a quick video of Michael desperately trying to find us a place to eat because we have been searching for a half hour and have found literally not the place we want to eat, which is meaning there's lots of great places, but not the one we want to eat at.
And I mean, like, if you're gonna spend $65 for a singular steak, it should be a good place to eat. And I don't think we even want steak.
I don't want steak.
Yeah, I don't know why we're looking at steakhouses.
Let's go for a walk.
Let's go for a walk. Are you taking that with us?
Yeah.
Oh, you should leave it.
I can put it in my pocket when we get there. No? Fine. Goodbye, GoPro.
Sean and I just went to Uno's Pizzeria. It is the home of the deep dish. The first deep dishes ever made were made in this pizzeria. It's over 100 years old. We had no idea. I mean, we saw it last night in our walk and like, oh, cool, there's a plaque and we're gonna go there for dinner tomorrow, blah, 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 whatever. Yeah, may have drank a bottle of wine, I'm a little tipsy. But it was amazing. But it's fucking hot and husballs in this room right now. Met a super hot model who models for Nike often. Gave me some of his artwork. Ricky, eat your heart out.
All right, we are on our last full day here in Chicago. Today we're going to be going to the Science and Industry Museum, which we have to take a taxi for. Well, a lift anyway. And then we're going to take the lift back. And who knows where we're going to eat. It's going to be a good day.
Update log. We are not going to the Industry and Science Museum. We just decided that we're going to be lazy our last day, and walking around hours and hours of museums has really gotten to us the last 2 days. So we're just going to be lazy pieces of shit in our hotel room. We're going to go get a charger for you. That way we can record the rest of our journey on the train tomorrow. But I think that's pretty much it. Ramen, pizza for dinner, and just hanging out, just because that's what we wanted to do and we haven't done that yet. Science and Industry Museum would have been fun, but OMSI is pretty much the same. And anytime we can avoid little kids, we're gonna pick that path. Today's supposed to be pretty bad with little kids. It's the weekend before Christmas. So, it's our last day in the Chicago. But one thing, whoa, why is this videotape? Is it videotaping upside down?
Yeah. It doesn't matter.
Oh, weird. So weird. It's videotaping upside down. Anyway, I made a video saying that we wouldn't hear gunshots. That was not correct. We heard 2 gunshots very loudly from the 18th story last night. I mean, I know that we showed you this view, but like just being up this high against, those are the buildings we've dubbed the Twin Towers. It's been how we've navigated the city without GPS. It's like, oh, those 2 ugly buildings, we're close to our hotel. But yeah, there were totally gunshots last night. And I mean, it was like probably 11 o'clock. The worst part about this, let's see if you can hear it. When I open this window, you just hear, oh, no one's honking. Sons of bitches have been honking all morning and all fucking night. Who is up this early at like 1 o'clock in the morning fucking honking a horn out on fucking the street? I don't know. We've been on a busy road. It's been great. I love the city. All the museums were wonderful. The city life was great. it's just really expensive here. We looked to go out to dinner last night at a fancy dinner, and it would have cost us probably $1.50. And we were like, screw that, we'll go to Hard Rock Cafe. And I think we spent 50, if that, with tip.
40.
Yeah, but now we're doing what we do always, and we are waiting to wait. We have nothing to do. We don't really want to spend more money today. And we've seen everything around here, really, in this block. In this about 2-mile radius, if not more than 2-mile radius, we've walked it all. So, I mean, and I don't want to take a cab to go anywhere because we leave at 2. So, I mean, we're just hanging out. Mellow day.